Thus far, we know the slope formula. We also know the slope-intercept form. Let's now find the slope of a few special cases. What kind of a line is this? X is equal to 1 if I were to graph this line. Remember, x is equal to a constant. That is always a vertical line. So this is a vertical line, but I'd like to find the slope. We can do so by using 2 points and using the slope formula. For example, we know as long as x is 1, we have an ordered pair solution of this equation. So I'll just choose 1, 0 and say 1, 5. Makes no difference as long as x is 1. So here I have 2 points on the graph of this equation. Let's find the slope by using the slope formula. It is y minus y over x minus x. And this should be familiar to you because we've talked about it a little bit. I have 5 over 0. This is undefined. It is true then, vertical lines have undefined slope in general. So now you don't need to calculate it anymore. If you have a vertical line, the slope is undefined. Let's now also look at a horizontal line. Now a horizontal line has a general form, y is equal to a constant. Here is my equation. Let's now find the slope of this special type of line. What type of line is it again? It is a horizontal line. So we're going to find the slope by using the slope formula. Let's write down a few points that are ordered pairs of this, or ordered pair solutions of this equation. As long as y is -3, I do have an ordered pair solution. So I can let x be, say, 0. I can let x be 2. I can let x be any number I want as long as y is -3. Let's now use our slope formula. Now be careful. It's y minus y over x minus x. And now let's calculate what is -3 minus a -3. That is -3 plus 3, which is 0, over 2 minus 0 is 2. That does simplify to 0. So the slope of this horizontal line is 0. You don't need to calculate the slope of horizontal lines any longer then. If you have a horizontal line, its slope is 0. Let's now review the appearance of lines with certain slopes. If a line has a positive slope, if m is greater than 0, as you move from left to right, the line moves upward, or we say we have an upward line. If your line has a negative slope, if m is less than 0, as you move with your line from left to right, you move downward, or you say you have a downward line. If your line has a 0 slope, m is equal to 0, you have a horizontal line. An undefined slope or no slope, the line is a vertical.
All right, guys, good luck today. I'll see you tomorrow.